Students, now we are going to see sum to n terms of a geometric progression. For a series whose terms are in the geometric progression is called a geometric series. So the general term a into r square, etc., a into r power n minus 1, etc. be the geometric progression. The sum of first n terms of the geometric progression, the first n terms, we have to add these all the ones. So that is a plus ar square, etc. plus ar power n minus 1. For their previous term is a into r power n minus 2. Their sum we want to find. The simplification, no need, just directly you have to see the formula. The sum of n terms Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. For this is r not equal to 1. For this is the formula sum to n terms in GP. Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. That is sum of finite terms. For first you have to write the formula sum to n terms of GP. Sum of finite terms. Sn equal to, it is the general form, sum of the general form, that is a plus ar square, a into r square plus etc. plus a into r power n minus 1 r in GP. For that is the formula Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 or greater than 1. For r is greater than 1, or not equal to 1, for it is or greater than 1. Not a, suppose you have to take it as a 1, the denominator is 0, so the whole term is not defined. So we will give this condition or not equal to 1 or greater than 1, or is greater than 1. If for r is less than 1, we will use this formula Sn equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. For this formula is derived from that first formula. The same, both are same. First and this formula are same. Sum of finite terms, that is sum of infinite terms, that is a plus ar square plus etc. That is equal to a by 1 minus r. That r lies between minus 1 and 1. For it is a finite terms, we will use that previous two formulas. For it is a infinite terms, we will use these formulas. Students, exercise 2.8, first problem. Find the sum of first n terms of GP for 5, minus 3, 9 by 5, minus 27 by 5, etc. Second question, 256, 64, 16, etc. We want to find the sum of first n terms. For this first problem, first term a equal to 5, the second common ratio r equal to t2 by t1. t2 is minus 3, t1 is 5. So r equal to minus 3 by 5. Now you have to check r is greater than 1 or less than 1. It is a negative, so it is less than 1. So we have to use this formula Sn equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. So a value is 5 into 1 minus r value minus 3 by 5 the whole power n by 1 plus 3 by 5. For in the formula we have 1 minus, the common ratio r value minus 3 by 5. So minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 3 by 5. So now 5 into 1 minus 3 by 5 the whole power n by, you have to take LCM. 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 8 by 5. So now for it is then again we have to take for this 5 denominator 5 numerator by numerator denominator. So this 5 moves to the numerator. So that is 5 into 5 25, 25 into 1 minus 3 by 5 whole power n by 8. So this is the answer. First second problem, for that series a is at 256, first term is 256, common ratio second term by first term, second term is 64, 64 by 256, that is first I am used fourth table, that is 16, here 64, then 8th table 2 times, for here 8 times, then again 2 table 1 time 4 time. For any other tables are possible, you have to use. So common ratio is 1 by 4. For it is 1 by 4 is less than 1, so we have to select this formula Sn equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. A value 256 into 1 minus r value 1 by 4 whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 4. So the denominator you have to take the LCM, that is, for now the numerator 256 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n by, for 1 4 is 4, 4 minus 1 3 by 4. Now this 4 moves to the numerator, so that is you have to make multiple 1024. So 1024 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n by 3. So that is rewritten as 1024 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n. For this numerator and denominator taken separately. For the given, for this this step is rewritten as this form. This is the answer. Second question, find the sum of first 6 terms of a GP 5, 15, 45, etc. For this problem, first term is 5, common ratio second term by first term T2 by T1, so that is 3. For we want to find first 6 terms, so n equal to 6. So now r is greater than 1, so we have to use this formula Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So a is 5, r is 3, 3 power 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So that is 3 power 6 value 729. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 6 times, that is 729 minus 1 by 2. So that is 5 into, for subtract these two, that is 728 by 2. Now you have to make cancel one time. It is 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Now you have to make multiple these two, that is 1820. Third question, find the first term of GP whose common ratio is 5, whose sum of the first 6 terms is 46,872. Third problem, we want to find the first term. First term is A. A we want to find. Then common ratio 5, first 6 terms. So that is the given, whose sum of first 6 term is given. So is n equal to 6, Sn equal to, that is 46,872. That is a S6. S6 is equal to this is. So now for it is more than 1, greater than 1. So it is, we have to use the formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, that is 46,872. So that is a into 5 power 6, r is 5, 5 power 6 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 equal to 46,872. So that is a equal to 5 power 6 value 15,625. So that is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 6 times I have to write, minus 1 by 4. So here 46,872. So now a into, for you have to subtract these two, that is 15,624 by 4. Fourth table you have to make apply. 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12, balance 3, 9 4s are 36. Next to 2 is there, 2 is not divisible by 4, so 0. Then you have to take together 24, that is 6 4s are 24. So now for here in the right hand side 46,872 is there. So now we want to find A. A equal to, for 46,872 by 3,906. For you have to make cancel. For listen here, 46,872 by 3,906. First two table. So that is 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 6 2s are 12. Now 1 2 is 2, it is 19. So 9 2s are 18, balance 1, 10, 5 2s are 10, 3. Then again you have to use which table is possible? Which table is possible? Ninth table, that is 2 9s are 18, balance 5, 6 9s are 54, then 0 is there, but it is not divisible by 9, so 36, 4 9s are 36, 2 9s are 18, balance 1, 1 9 is 9, then 6, 7 9s are 63. Seventh table, 3 7s are 21, balance 5 50, that is 7 7s are 49, balance 1 14, that is 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 1 7 is 7. Then 31 table, 1 time, for here 1 time, then balance 6 is there, so that is 2 times. So that is A is equal to 12. A value is 12. Fourth problem, find the sum to infinity of 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus etc. Second problem, 21 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus etc. For this problem, first you write the given question infinity terms. You have to write infinity terms. First term is 9. A common ratio 3 by 9. Second term by first term, that is 1 by 3. Then for we have the formula, it is infinite, we have the formula a by 1 minus r. So that is, now you have to substitute the values. 9, a value is 9, 9 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is equal to 1 by 3. So that is equal to 9 by, you have to take a LCM. So that is 1, 3 is 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 3. So that is equal to 9 by 9 into 3 by 2. So that is equal to 9 3s are 27 by 2. So that is the value equal to, the answer equal to 27 by 2. For the second problem, first term is 21, common ratio, second term by first term. So that is equal to 2 by 3. For write the formula, it is a infinite, we have to use that formula a by 1 minus r. So a is 21 by 1 minus 2 by 3. For that is 21 by, for you have to take a LCM, 1 3 is 3, 3 minus 2 1, 1 by 3. So 21 into 3 by 1. So that is equal to 63. Fifth question, if the first term of an infinite GP is 8 and its sum to infinity is 32 by 3, then find the common ratio. For this problem, first term of the infinity series is given a equal to 8. So that is, the sum to infinity is 32 by 3. This is given, the sum to infinity is 32 by 3. For sum to infinity, we have the formula a by 1 minus r, that is equal to 32 by 3. So that is a is 8, 8 by 1 minus r is equal to 38 is equal to 32 by 3. So now you have to make cancel, 1 8 is 8, 4 8s are 32. For this cancelling, direct cancelling, 1 8 is 8, 4 8s are 32. So here we have 1 by 1 minus r, 4 by 3. So you have to take a cross multiplication. So that is 1 into 3, 3 is equal to, for 4 into, for it is 4 into 1 minus r. So that is 1 4 is 4, 4 into r, 4r minus 4r. For this is cross multiplication. So that is, for you have to arrange that one side. For the 4r moves to here, that is 4r, this implies 4r is equal to 4 minus 3. For this one moves here, for 3 moves this side. So that is 4r is equal to 4 minus 3. So that is 4r is equal to 1. So r is equal to 1 by 4. So the common ratio r is equal to 1 by 4.